In India, it is cited that almost 90% of the startups fail. Now I know startups and small caps not the same thing, but that brings me to the second point. The SME sector in India is closely linked with the small cap companies. According to a few reports, 20 to 30% of the small cap companies fail within 5 years. And between 2015 and 2020, around 200 to 300 companies got delisted from the Indian Stock Exchange. And guess, the majority of those companies were small cap companies. So it's really risky to invest in small caps, but you can get a lot of returns also from it. It's simply a high risk, high reward game. Now, coming back to our favorite fund manager, Peter Lynch, his favorite category was small caps and micro caps. He used to say, and I quote, "Big companies have small moves and small companies have big moves." So his investment style revolved around finding a really good small cap or a micro cap company and then gaining 1000% from that. But that requires